Welcome to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to create a digital product using Canva. For today's demonstration, I'll show you how to create a save the date card. Now, if you're looking for inspiration, you can use Etsy. So we just head over to Etsy right now. And in Etsy, type in save the date digital downloads, and you will see various options that are available for you to be inspired by. I'm going to head back over to Canva now. And you can also type in save the date in Canva to see what types of designs are available here as well. So for today's demonstration, I'm simply going to select this design here. Select customize. Once it takes you to this page, you can now seek to edit the design to make it your own. And if you have a change of mind in terms of using this design, as you can see in the templates folder, they're showing you other designs that you can use, and this too can serve as inspiration. So firstly, I am going to adjust the size of the numbers, and I will move them to the corner of each picture to ensure that you get the same size of numbers. You can simply select on the number and select duplicate 2 times. I'm going to put in the 16th of the 7th, 24. And if you want to change the color again, you simply highlight it and you go to the color option and you change the color to suit. So once you are satisfied with the color options for your numbers, we can then decide how we want the layout to be for our save the date card. So the first thing that I would want to do is I would want to move the save the date from the top of the card, and I want to replace it with the names of the parties. You can include any name that you want. I'm just going to use Spencer and Olivia. To ensure that my digital save the date is different, I am going to adjust the picture scope. I have adjusted my pictures to my desired, and I'm now going to move the wordings to go right under each picture. Now remember, you can play around with it and do as you desire. So I think I like keeping it in the same line for the first one as well. All right, so just like that, I have created another look in terms of the save the date card. And I'm thinking there is a little too much room to the bottom part. So I'm just going to adjust. So now I would increase the size of the names of the parties to the top. If you want to change the font, just select font and you can go through the different font options. I'm going to leave my own with this look. I am, however, going to utilize some effects from Canva, and you can do the same thing for the numbering. You can utilize the effects to see if it gives it a different look that you would prefer. All right, so there are different ways. Here you just need to adjust the color to suit. The shadow effects, I'm just going to leave it with the shadow, and I'm going to do that for all of my numbers. And if you desire to change the background color, you simply select color again, and you can choose whichever color you think works best. I'm going to stick with this color. And just like that, you have a new save the date card. You can also, if you choose, if you want to make it a little different, you can go into elements and you can type in border. So I'm just going to select this border just for demonstration purposes. Okay, once it's selected, you simply adjust it. So I would only want to use this border as a one-sided border. I am going to change the background color back to white. I think it looks better with that option if you are using the border. And I'm going to change this back to this color. And just like that, again, you have a different type of card, save the date card. So once you're satisfied with the look, you simply select share, template link, and create template link. And you copy the template link. So now we have the template link for our save the date card. We will just head back over to Canva. And now we want to create a flyer that would be used to sell the digital product. So I'm just going to select this option here. Select customize this template. Once the page comes up, I'm just going to edit the information. I'm going to put save the date. And I'll also adjust the size. Go into elements. I'm going to type in the word button. See if I can get a free option. I'm just going to select this one right here. I'm going to adjust it. And I'm going to bring it to the bottom. I'm simply going to change the wording here. I'm just going to change the color as well. I have done that. If you want, you can make a copy of the template that you created and insert it here. Or you can simply use another picture. I'm going to leave this picture for now and just adjust it to suit. And I'm going to insert an additional text. Thank you for purchasing our Save the Date digital card. Right? You simply stretch this out. Again, I'm going to adjust this size as well as the font to suit the look I am going for. This works for me. I'll just adjust the size one more time. So you just select on the 3 additional dots and underline. Once you are satisfied with this option here, we want to ensure that we link our save the date card so that it's accessible to our purchasers. So we simply select where we want to have the card linked. So I'm just going to right click here, select link, and remember we would have copied the link before. So I'm just going to say Control V and done. And just like that, your save the date card is linked to your flyer page. Once you have linked it, you can upload your information on Etsy. And once your purchaser buys the save the date, they will receive this flyer and the link to edit the save the date card that you would have created by simply selecting on the edit save the date button.
Thank you for listening to Everyday Life and Money Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment and click that notification bell so you can be alerted of all our videos. Thanks for viewing.